Good morning, good evening, good night from wherever you are watching us. Welcome so much to this tutorial where we are going to learn how to use Judge Me on Shopify. Judge Me helps you to get product reviews which boosts your sales. So to get to Judge Me, we have judge.me, and that link is available in the description of this video, and you can see the match you can do with Judge Me. It's actually the best review app with the lowest price and 24/7 customer support. So when you get to your Shopify store, here I'm on my Shopify store, you will come down here and click on add apps, and then you'll scroll down again and click on Shopify App Store. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this page here, and this is where now you type Judge Me. You notice it's here, and so you notice we have the Judge Me product reviews. It's the first one here. Notice their logo, so just click on that, and then you make sure you're installing the one whose developer is judge.me. Click on install. This will bring you to your Shopify admin page. On the top right corner, again, click on install app. And that will now bring you to your Shopify Judge Me page where you now do your setup. You select the language here. I'll retain it as English, and where you like to install it, you can select the current theme. I'm using the default theme, and that's where I want to install it. So then click on Start Setup on the bottom right corner. Then click on Enable App Embed. Then down here, click on Next Step. Then click on Install Review Widget. And since I had already added products, you notice now it loads my product here. You notice I had this product already on my Shopify store, and then you notice it shows me how my product will look like. I'll have the product, the details here, which I had already entered, and in this YouTube channel, we have different tutorials on how to add products to your Shopify store. So in this case, we're just focusing on how to use the Judge Me. So I had already added this product, but you notice down here now we have the widget for customer review, just showing you how it will appear, and then it will have the stars, the number of people who have given you a 5-star, 4, 3, 2, and 1 star, and then how it will show you down here to show you the name and the review that was given. And remember, these are just sample reviews. If you're satisfied with that, you simply click on save. Just click on next here so that we can continue with the installation. Then we can install. You click on install preview badge here, and it takes you here to see how your badge will look like. Then click on finish down here, and now your Judge Me has been added to your product page. So now down here, you notice you have it on the bottom left corner. You have Judge Me reviews. You can manage, you can collect reviews, you can also change the widget, you can also have marketing and social, and then you can also adjust your general settings. So now this is how it will look like. So if now we come on reviews dashboard, this is where we can view all reviews. We can also import reviews. So let's go to product reviews at the top here. If you click on product reviews, you notice we cannot, currently there are no reviews added. Even if you click on view all reviews, we don't have any review for our product. If you now click on the apps Judge Me reviews and click on manage reviews here, this is where you can now manage your reviews. You can see the questions and answers, and then you can also see your products and groups. So for instance, we had 2 products, and for the 2 products, canned fruits and dress, you notice we can send requests. We can have the product group, and then the vendor and all the details here. So if we click on collect reviews here, this is where you can now request for reviews about your product. For instance, you notice here, you can click on more action so that you can cancel any unsent requests, and you can also view customer block list. You can also schedule your requests here for the reviews. So if you go for automatic requests, this is where you can now set up how requests for review are going to be made to your from your clients. So for instance, you can send requests for domestic orders after a number of days. You want that to be after 7 days, you can put 7 days. Then you can have follow-up requests and reminders. Maybe a person has not given a review after requesting after 7 days. So you can say maybe if after 7 days there's no review given, you can send a reminder. Then you can decide for international orders, do the same. And then delivery-based requests, you can enable or disable. And then you can also set up automatic reminders where you remind customers to leave a review if they don't leave one upon getting the first request. You can click on that to set it on. You can also you can send the schedule automatically to be doing that after every 3 days. And then you can also set custom time to send the review request. For instance, if you click on that, you want that to be happening at maybe 8:00 GMT, depending on your time zone. And then once you're satisfied with all that, you simply come to the top here and click on save, so that you now save your settings. Once you come to email, at the top here, this is where you can manage your email templates. You notice here you can have your sender store name, which name do you want to appear in your emails, and then you can also manage your custom forms here. You can do your campaigns here, and you can set up all this. Then next here you have email templates, where you can basically edit the templates given. For instance, we have here a single template review. If you click on edit, you'll notice that you'll be able to edit this single template review. Here it is. You notice the preview looks like this. Hi, John, we fulfilled your order from our store, this number of days ago. What do you think about the dress? And then they are going to give a rating here, and then they give a review, and then the reviewer's name, and then they'll click on submit verified review down here. So that's how you are going to customize that. You can even change this one to read slightly differently depending on how you want it to sound. So for instance, you don't want it to be fulfilled your order, you can click on that. You notice on the right hand side, that's where we have all the details. We have the email body here. It's here. We fulfilled your order. Maybe you can say thank you for shopping with us. Then we fulfill, then you now continue. So you notice now we have edited that. Once you're satisfied, you simply click on save. Your email template will be updated and saved. You notice settings saved successfully. So you can also click on widgets so that you see and select the widget that on how you want your Judge Me reviews to appear. So we have the review widget that looks like this. We have the star rating badge. We have the question and answers. You can simply click on any and manage. You can also have the showcase review. For instance, we have the review carousel and all reviews page. So you can click on any and edit. So let's click on the first one. And you notice now we can edit this, and we can even install that as our widget. This is how we want our widget to appear like, review, all this. So you can just edit that and then click on save. Now, if you want to see how your reviews will appear, you click on products, click on the product that you want to review. I want to see how my product review for canned fruits will appear. I'll click on that. And then here it is. Then I can just scroll down, and this is how my review will appear. So to write a review, I'll just click on write a review, and then I'll choose the rating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me just leave a 4-star review. Then I'll give a review here. Then I'll give the title here for the review. This is the review for canned fruits. It's where you basically now type the review up to the end, and then you can upload either a picture or something, and then you come down here and click on add your details, the name, maybe it's just that, and then your email address here. Then you click on submit review, and now you notice the review has been submitted. And so with that, our product here has a review. So if we refresh that page for canned fruit and then come down here, you notice we have our customer review. We already have one, which has a 4 out of 5. Then we can read it down here. You notice canned fruits are great, sweet and fresh product, highly recommended. You now notice our review is here. So that's how you simply add those reviews. I hope this has been helpful. That is how you simply use Judge Me on Shopify. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.